Siyawamukela TV yakahamba phambili iGuluva TV. Qala ukuthandela lokhu. Subscribe, share, comment, like. Asihlangane khona. Kanti manje bingelela lesikhathi ekubingelela yena mathinta acabisa intombi zimqomela amehlaka abanye baqamela imali ethi bazingena kwethu. Bawuvala umlomo ngayimpendulo kaNgizwe njengoba ke ubevakashela laphana kwi-podcast enichile kuyona ephethe uMacG njengoba ke nabo bevakashele eThekwini laphana ke behambela indawo ngeindawo babake sebemema uNgizwe ukuthi abe guest yabo laphana eThekwini njengoba uMacG bephethe imibuzo eminingi bekuyiyona ebibuzwe abantu laphana epage labo lika YouTube. Ngizwe mchunu ube sethola nombuzo ukuthi waxoshwa yini okhozini noma yini yamenza ukuthi axoshwe okhozini. Sizwele ukuthi uphendule.
Next question is, why did you get fired from ukhozi FM?
Akakundile neskipa lesinginike sona akasifasile kade nalento buka into ugqoke kanjani magqoke kanje
Comfortable.
ayingosikhotheni kodwa kodwa sona imbekezelela ka because you are doing well, it's fine.
But why did you get fired from ukhozi FM?
Because I was smart. How? Because I was a giant. Because I was the first broadcaster in overseas during the inauguration of Barack Obama, the first black president of the United States of America. Nobody have done that at SAPC level. Even yourself, you was there. You was praising me in your radio station. I just make history. Yeah. Come here, come.
First of all, I never worked for the SABC, but it's fine.
We never taught that by SAPC. SAPC has taught very well that the mic must be here, unless is the Chinese mic.
Yeah. I don't. Do you guys feel like you answered that question? No. You didn't answer that question, Baba. You didn't answer that question, Baba.
I did. I did answer your question.
Which is?
Because you asked me how did I expelled from SAPC.
Yeah.
And I've told you because I was smart, because I was a genius, because I was the first presenter to broadcast overseas.
Yeah.
In the history of SAPC, not ukhozi FM.
But that's every reason to keep
on
you.
your letter of suspension and expulsion, that's what they said.
Come again?
On your letter of expulsion, that's what they said.
I would have pain.
Sifuna ukwazi ukuthi kwenzekeleni. What happened?
Indaba abaxoshile.
Kunjani?
Asiphinge ukuthi you were the first guy to broadcast abroad. Asiphinge. Kodwa isizathu sokuthi baxoshe bokuyini?
Malake bafana bami. But I'm not happy about this mic that I can I can hear myself that
No, siyakuzwa.
Ngiyazwakala kodwa
Siyakuzwa uyazwakala.
Oh, still here. Okay.
Uthi
So manje into ezakile
Yeah.
eyokuthi obvious in every territory when you are big and when you have a potential, they create all reasons to frustrate you.
My man, who's that? Hold on. Hey. Who's that?
Umuntu ongahloniphela uzophuma la kwaZulu kuyahlonishwa asibahlonipheni khona benje asibahlonipheni bafowethu benza umsebenzi wabo baqede ngiyacela ngani zakwethu so that can be historic so we can enjoy all of us, ladies and gentlemen. Lo oyaluza obhedela umsamo lo omemezayo alokhu nje.
Yeah, you're saying, Baba.
Simple. They've created stories that don't make sense. Yabona. Yonke into babe ichaza lapha ayikho neyodwa yenza sense. That's why the first case ngixoshwe SAPC ngawina wonke amacala. And then base decide ukuthi i-contract abazokuyivuselela. As you know that we remain freelancers. That's why namanje they still owe me more than 400,000 at SAPC. I still haven't received that money. That's how cruel they are. The former chairperson of the board, Ubaba Makatini, knows that.
Ghost lady,
Yeah,
do you know why he got fired? Do you still know after that answer?
I'm still unclear.
You're still unclear?
I'm not, yeah.
Chazela ghost lady, why waXoshelwani?
Uthini?
Sifuna ukwazi why waXoshelwani?
Why ngaxoshwa SAPC?
Yeah.
No, kusimple. Bangikhandela istory
Eh,
esingayenzi isense.
but esithini?
Esithini story?
Esithini?
Story esithini?
Esithini?
Esithini story?
Manake.
Yeah.
Okay. Nganza kwethu. Kumnandi ngoba yonke into eyenzeka eSAPC inama record akwi public kwi media kanye na kwi SAPC itself. Yabona. Mangabe uxoshwa eSAPC uyazi uMacG ukuthi
Angazi
Vele
mina,
kuthiwe.
angazi.
okay MacG waXoshelwani neSAPC
Sikhuluma ngawe.
wena waXoshelwani
Yena akasebenzanga e-SABC.
Inkinga uMacG akaze asebenze eSABC. Akaze asebenze eSABC. Usebenze ku-Highveld, usebenze ku-YFM as owner eSABC.
what
Akaze uMacG asebenze eSABC. YFM I own SABC. What is it? Highveld? I own a Prime Media.
947. Yeah.
I own SABC 947.
msaluchaza
Guys,
wena ula njengommeli kaMacG
Mina ngumuntu akhuluma iqiniso. Bengibona ukuthi lakuphunyukela.
guys,
awunalo awunalo kamnyama
clearly he doesn't want to answer. Should we move on?
Yeah, let's move on.
Yes,
Let's move on.
Let's
Let's move on.
All right, clearly he doesn't want to answer.
labafala kanti bangenzani labafala
Another question is, ask him about his Sangoma career. Why did he try so quick from being a Sangoma?
angizwanga
Ask him about his Sangoma career. Why did he retire so quick from being a Sangoma?
How?
What do you mean I've tried so quickly to be a sangoma? What do you mean that?
No, you.
Bathi uke waba isangoma
Bese
awuyisona
waye.
okwamanje indaba. Ungayisona isangoma kodwa uke
Ngiyisona namanje nginaso ngiyisona
Hawu namanje
inkinga mangabe